G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres. Materials wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. These would probably just be cut the way they are, rather than you wouldn't try to follow the seam in this. It's just a nice pattern pendant the way it is, free form. We'll go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Here's that first piece again. That's the rough side and it's been sawn. Stone, cut it through there, you end up with another piece like this to make a second pendant out of, or stone if you want to do a stone. Okay, I think you've got a good idea of what's in this little deal. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.